Okay, everybody. Well, I hadn't originally planned for this to happen, but one of the houses that's under new construction in our subdivision had a major gas leak. So my wife came in and informed me that we had the choice to leave or not. So when I went out onto the street and I smelled that familiar rotten egg smell in the air, I decided probably a good idea if we take off. In fact, that was actually back in this area here. I had actually gone short at about 16, which was right in this area. Right about here. And covered, I think, at about 300 or so. Anyway, it was somewhere in this area. Very, very small move, 10 or 11 pips or so, once you accounted for the spread. And that's really about all the market had to give at this point. So let's talk about the move, why I was looking to cover, and some of the signs that covering was a good idea. First of all, you've got to notice that the market was trading near a round number. Okay, 2.0300 was right here, and that corresponds with this area on the chart. If we go down to the 15-minute bar, wait for this to update. There we go. Actually, no, you know what? I went short much higher than that. I went short up here, now that I remember it. You know, I have to look at it again. I apologize. Anyway, it was on this bar. Okay, so the market had crawled its way back up. And so what did I see that really gave me the go-ahead to go short? Well, if you remember, we were looking initially at the market after it had popped up and was starting to come down. And I was talking about waiting for the Little Dipper pattern, which hopefully you remember, the Little Dipper pattern. We're looking at the market going up. So we wait for the market to start moving down, and then we're looking to sell after the market has gone back up into this Fibonacci level here. So we're targeting the 0.618, and we're targeting the 0.786. What we're counting on here is that if the professional money is going short, they're going to build a short position over here, and then after the market initially moves down, they're going to dip back into that area over here in order to see if there's any supply. If there's any demand in this case. In other words, is the market going to continue going up or not? So that Little Dipper process, if the professional money is behind it, you'll see actually that the market will move very, very quickly to the downside. And that's one of the benefits of this position, is that if you are going to go short, you should see the market move very quickly past this low. Not so fast that you get a sneak attack like formation, but you should see the market penetrate this low, is the point. It should go beyond this low. So that, of course, was the clue that the market probably was not going to continue. I saw that the market was having trouble getting beyond the round number, and I know that psychologically, rookie traders, including some hedge funds, some big banks, are going to congregate around this 300 level, or even numbers in general. So when I see the professional money is unable to penetrate there, I see that volume does not go up. In fact, you can see here on the 15-minute that volume actually started coming down. Let me go ahead and put a line on here for you. There we go. This was actually the bar that I exited on. And truthfully, some of my decision-making process was there because of the natural gas leak next door. In fact, I remarked to my wife, I said, I can't trade when the gas is leaking next door. There's just no way I'm going to be able to concentrate with my family in the house and the possibility of a fire or explosion next door. So anyway, that factored into the decision as well. But also, I was looking at all these other factors. Volume was starting to dry up, what should happen is volume should stay consistent. Okay, so what you should see is that volume should stay about at this level as the market is moving through. You should not see big spikes like this. Big spikes are what cause the market to actually reverse. In fact, you can see the spike came over here. The spike came over here, and even though the market floated up a little bit,